Want to start a faceless YouTube channel that actually makes money? One of the easiest faceless niches to make you rich in 2025 is right in front of you, animal sounds channels. This niche is beginner-friendly, requires no talking, and some channels are already making over $15,000 per month. Let me show you exactly how it works. Animal sounds videos are super viral because they appeal to kids, nature lovers, and even pet owners. Here's an example: the Happy Animal YouTube channel. Started just 2 months ago, uploaded only 54 videos, and already has 53.3 subscribers with over 4 million views per month. With an RPM of $3, $8 per 1,000 views, that means the channel is making anywhere from $100 to $15,000 every month. And guess what? It's a 100% faceless YouTube channel. This proves why faceless niches to make you rich in 2025 are growing faster than ever. Now let's talk about how you can create these videos yourself step by step. First, find animal sounds using royalty-free websites like Zapsplat, Free Sound, or even AI-generated sounds. Next, get video footage from free stock websites like Pixabay, Pexels, or even YouTube's Creative Commons section. For editing, keep it simple. Just sync the sound with the footage using CapCut or Premiere Pro. And finally, for thumbnails, use Canva or Photoshop to place high-quality animal images on an eye-catching background. That's it. No need for expensive gear or professional editing skills, just basic tools and consistency. This is why faceless niches to make you rich in 2025 are so powerful. Still not convinced? Let's look at 2 more channels making money in this niche. First, Wild Sound Hub, a faceless YouTube channel that only posts animal sounds and gets millions of views. Second, Animal Echo Sounds, another simple yet successful channel generating consistent passive income. These are real examples of why faceless niches to make you rich in 2025 are the best way to build a passive income online. Ready to start your own faceless YouTube channel and earn from one of the easiest faceless niches to make you rich in 2025? Let's make it happen.